Our project is titled COVID-19 Vaccine Hesitancy in Inpatient versus Outpatient Clinical Settings. While the introduction of the COVID-19 vaccine sparked hope for many, others met the vaccines with skepticism and fear. Vaccine hesitancy is a complex and multifactorial issue involving race, gender, socioeconomic status, and other components of a person's identity. According to a recent survey of Missourians, a lack of clinical research was the main reason for vaccine hesitancy. Motivational interviewing and counseling have been demonstrated to be helpful methods of decreasing vaccine hesitancy. Our study aims to discover the main reasons unvaccinated patients at University Health Hospital are hesitant, and if counseling these patients on vaccine will result in change.
We created a survey to assess vaccination status, common reasons for hesitancy, as well as mask usage. During the encounter, patients were counseled on the benefits of vaccination. We also employed the trans-theoretical model of change, with stages such as pre-contemplative, contemplative, and etc. to assess levels of change. We then employed a Pdsa cycle in creation of the study. We initially planned out the study and are in the process of data collection and analysis.
For our results, 25% and 22% of inpatients and outpatients respectively changed their stage of contemplation towards the vaccine. After counseling, 22% of inpatients received the COVID-19 vaccine and almost 18% of outpatients were agreeable to receiving the vaccine. The most common reason for inpatients was not thinking about getting it, and for outpatients, the most common reason was mistrust. For both, the most common reasons following include natural immunity and fear of side effects.
In conclusion, we analyzed these results, and we found that although there were major differences between the two groups regarding their reasoning for vaccine hesitancy, both groups had very similar rates of conversion to receiving the vaccine. Notably, all inpatients who converted to receive the vaccine cited never having thought about it as their reason. This suggests that there may be a significant difference between conversion rates depending on individual patient reasoning. Limitations of the study include the low sample size of 55, as well as non-standardization of counseling methods. Sustainability of these results remains to be seen as the COVID-19 pandemic evolves and vaccination rates as well as infection rates continue to change. Next steps with this project would be to further investigate the relationships between hesitancy reasoning and effectiveness of counseling. Thank you.